Here's what most people do to format their paragraphs. They hit the Tab key to add some indentation and then start typing their paragraph. And at the end of the paragraph, they hit Enter a couple times to add some space before the next paragraph. Besides being a waste of keystrokes, this guarantees that your book will look unprofessional when it's published. Instead, we're going to change the paragraph settings in the normal style to add these spaces there. Paragraph settings change how a single paragraph looks and flows with the other paragraphs. Keep watching if you want to learn more. Did you know there are more formatting options in Word than appear on the top ribbon? Here's the one simple hack to show all your formatting options in Word. Start by right-clicking on the normal style and choose Modify. In this box, you'll see a quick overview of the most popular settings that people tweak. Now let's dig a little deeper. At the bottom left, you'll see a Format drop-down. You can see font formatting, paragraph formatting, and more. We'll start by choosing Paragraph formatting. We can add space to the indentation and between paragraphs. First, go down to the indentation setting and set left to 0.2. Next to it, you'll select the special drop-down and choose first line. Next, look at the spacing settings and change after to 6 point. Keep line spacing at single. Everything else should be fine the way it is. You'll see a preview of your settings at the bottom of the box. And that's not all. You can change advanced settings for fonts, paragraphs, which we just did, tabs, borders, and more. When you're done, just click OK twice to get back to your manuscript. If you're working on a document you already formatted with the old spacebar and tab method, then advanced settings can make things look worse at first. Here are some advanced Word settings tips for beginners. You'll know you have extra paragraph breaks and spaces when you see extra space between your paragraphs that don't look quite right. If you want to know for sure, you can toggle on this one tool. It's called the non-printing characters or formatting marks checkbox. When you turn it on, you can see everything that's actually going on with your document. On your Mac menu bar, go to Word, Preferences, View, and hit the Show All Non-Printing Characters checkbox, and we're in business. For Windows, go to File, Options, Display, and check Show All Formatting Marks. Wherever you see an extra line break, or extra space, or tab, delete it. Now go back and do one of two things. Reset your paragraph by applying the style you want, or modify that style to add space the way you want it. Here's a pro tip. If you're early on in your manuscript, use only styles to format your document. In fact, if you need to make items bold in your manuscript, try using the strong style instead of just making it bold. Using styles to format your paragraphs can save you tons of time. It saves time when you want to transfer your manuscript into a new template, or if you need to update page sizes or headers. If you love this topic, coming up are some table features to make your formatting future-proof for any document size. Stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.